Hello guys. Parang feeling ko si gabi pa. So today, mag-deliver tayo ngayon ng yung na-harvest kanina. Kasi the-deliver na guys. Yan guys, ready for delivery. Okay, let's go! Ayan guys, ha? Okay, ito po yung aking unang bayad sa unang harvest. Thank you so much. Kaya na? Oo. Ay, ano ba yun? 10. Ay, tama. 100. 1,000. Okay. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much.
Guys, busy.
Money's real. We got the payment. Thank you so much to Miss Lani Barahaja. So, thank you so much po sa pagbili ng aking first harvest. Si Bes, God bless all us. All of us. Ayan. Kasama sa ating birthday na nag-deliver.